Welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud owner of a BMW 3 Series, you know that it's more than just a car. It's a symbol of luxury, performance, and precision engineering. But to keep it running like new, regular maintenance is key. In today's video, we're going to break down the essential services you need to keep your BMW 3 Series in top shape. Whether you're driving an F30, G20, or an older model, these tips will help keep your ride smooth for years to come. Engine oil and filter change. The heart of your BMW 3 Series is its engine, and like any engine, it needs regular oil changes. Over time, engine oil can become dirty and less effective, which can cause engine wear and poor performance. For most BMW 3 Series models, it's recommended to change the oil every 10,000 miles or once a year, but always check your owner's manual for specific intervals. Pro tip: don't forget to change the oil filter as well. This helps maintain clean oil circulation, ensuring your engine stays in excellent condition. Brake maintenance. The BMW 3 Series is known for its precision handling, and that includes its braking system. Make sure to inspect the brake pads and rotors regularly. Worn-out brake pads can lead to poor braking performance and even damage to the rotors. Depending on how you drive, brake pads may need to be replaced every 30,000 to 70,000 miles. Pro tip: pay attention to any squealing or grinding noises, as this is a sign your brakes need attention. Tire care and alignment. Your tires are the only point of contact with the road, so keeping them in great condition is essential. Regularly check tire pressure and tread depth. Tires should be rotated every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Additionally, a proper wheel alignment ensures your BMW drives straight and avoids unnecessary tire wear. Pro tip: check for any vibrations while driving at highway speeds, as this could indicate a need for balancing or alignment. Transmission fluid. The transmission is one of the most important components of your BMW 3 Series, and keeping it in good condition is crucial. BMW typically recommends checking the transmission fluid every 30,000 miles or as needed. While some newer models have sealed transmissions, it's always a good idea to ask a BMW service technician to check it during routine maintenance. Pro tip: if you notice any shifting issues or hear unusual noises from the transmission, have it inspected immediately. Cooling system. The cooling system ensures that your engine doesn't overheat, which could lead to major damage. Over time, the coolant can break down, so it's important to flush the system and replace the coolant every 2 years or 30,000 miles. Don't forget to check for any leaks in the radiator or hoses as well. Pro tip: if your engine temperature starts to climb higher than usual, stop the car immediately and get the cooling system checked. Battery check. BMW 3 Series models have advanced electronics, and the battery plays a crucial role in powering everything from the engine to the infotainment system. Regularly check your battery for corrosion, and if it's over 4 or 5 years old, consider replacing it. A week-old battery can lead to starting issues, especially in cold weather. Pro tip: if your car shows any signs of slow starting, it's a sign the battery could be on its last legs. Air filters. Replacing the air filters is an often overlooked, but important service. Clean air filters ensure that your engine breathes well and performs at its best. For the cabin, a clean cabin air filter helps ensure you have fresh air inside the vehicle. Air filters should be replaced every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Pro tip: if you notice reduced airflow or strange odors inside your car, it's time to replace the cabin air filter. BMW 3 Series specific services. Lastly, if you own a newer BMW 3 Series, especially the G20 or F30, you may want to keep an eye on the following common issues. Suspension. The BMW 3 Series is known for its tight handling, so suspension components like shocks and struts can wear out over time. Electronic systems. With advanced tech in newer models, sometimes software updates or sensor recalibration are necessary to keep everything working smoothly. Regular maintenance is crucial to keeping your BMW 3 Series running like a well-oiled machine. From oil changes to brake checks and tire care, following these service tips will help maintain your car's performance and longevity. If you're ever unsure, it's always best to visit a certified BMW technician who can handle any complex issues.